Up in the markets and the ground up. Gala watch we like TV, SOUFLO. Gala watch we like TV, SOUFLO.
Welcome back to SOUFLO TV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Don't go anywhere. You won't see my face. Well, you will see my face in this video, but I won't be in the video like this for too long. This is the intro where I kind of set up and tell you what this video is about, and then you can enjoy the vlog and the movie trailer at the end of the video. So sometimes it's necessary for us to grab some old material and refix it, or a fast forward and a flashback. This is what this is. So this is a movie that I acted in years ago, right? And you get to see the full trailer of the movie, which was pretty exciting. And then you also get the link to actually go see the entire movie as well. In the process, there is a vlog where it shows you the behind the scenes as we were in Miami for a weekend to shoot the movie and went off to do some other things as well. It's kind of funny to look back now, because now you know me. Those of you who've been following me for a long time might be familiar with this. But those who are new to the channel in the last couple of years, even if you've been here for the last 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years even, you might not have known about this, because this happened before all that. So you watching this vlog, you actually get to see like Shakera and myself and how we've changed over the years and when it started and all these other things like that. Well, we started before this movie, but you get an idea of the early days and all that, and then where we are now. You can compare all that. So it's a pretty interesting vlog, and I think you will enjoy it, so I'm sharing it with the audience. I won't say anything else here. Enjoy.
Give me a kiss.
One more. You want to come on?
No, I want peace.
But I think should I want to come out. Watch this. Watch the size of the lizard there, another tree here. Make zoom good. You want me to catch a lizard now? Make the people them see. Watch it. When you see where in that tree them in Florida. I study lizard and insect.
Yes, yes, I'm afraid of all insects.
That's a lie. I'm not afraid of all insects. I just not like things that crawl upon me.
Me say.
I'm afraid, I just not like things that crawl upon me.
I'm there with baby, say. See, baby.
So if the lizard they jump off right now, you don't want that jump on you?
No, fuck no. But I scream like a one bitch.
Alright.
But not how all the Christian thing crawl upon and you start going.
Oh, them creepy crawlies sitting up on me. Next thing he bite me and give me some foreign disease.
So, one piece.
So come.
Might have to help charge my phone while you're at it. Because I need something to keep.
This girl, I swear, man. I swear.
I think I got to fly out.
The amount of stress she have me under.
Yeah, man, me have you under stress.
Right now we have to take a little break. Intermission. Brilliant gone.
Alright,
where Brilliant gone?
Lot of lakes.
So be up there, we'll look for someone to go tonight while we're out here.
We go there how much time? You know, we know.
That you got to a night. We have to talk about a day rate party. Remember today or Sunday.
So what time if we go 10?
Around that time. It starts at 6, but not even DJ reach at 6.
Alright, so.
Babe, did I play me? What were you playing, babe?
What do you play?
My buffer.
So.
Make sure I don't sweat too much. But that's on set right now, we take a break. Thirsty, it's hot.
Babe, for me to do the vlogging.
Hmm?
I do the vlogging. Oh, my shorts. They can top walk up and down.
Oh, me I try to funny?
Yes.
Give me.
No,
Let me put you funny.
no, put me funny.
She lazy, you see? She not good for nothing. Nah, drop me. Mark, you know.
Then so they want to see your outfit them when you put on man.
Simple.
I will buy them.
My woman. My woman buy me clothes.
Alright, so.
Movie going good. She over here try to make me laugh. But we're supposed to be serious.
They try serious up in face. I try. Say my bad man. Run.
What will you do later?
What will you do later, babe?
I don't know. The man said, what kind of party they about?
Yeah, Dexter Dance concert.
Yeah,
One Love, a Luncers banquet. Luncers.
God
On
Almighty.
16.
We not go back and no party a luxurious banquet hall.
They start 2 o'clock and done 4 o'clock.
No, they're done 5.
At 5?
Me don't know when they done. But
Wanna leave to 4?
we
Go out there from what, midnight?
Oh,
Whatever.
that's how.
if we go there from
But we never go to a 2-hour party them show.
Yeah. People go a 3 party over 5.
a tree. Oh, then I mean they were going on at first.
You want to go there?
We
You want
not.
to go there tonight?
One Love, but One Love is a day rave, so don't come out there that late. Day rave like from 6 to 2. But same thing, people now come out to 10, 11 o'clock. Sometimes when. But they don't know that they're gonna.
Well, me used to cut here, so I know the feeling. You see your station, that's your domain.
Your house.
This is how you make your living, your whole everything there. So you know what, a man touch a brush or nothing.
What time we got Super Sunday? I did late night one day.
Yeah.
I don't me ask him a team share with the podcast, he will surely understand. Next one, next time we did that. But then that ask him to hold off a little bit.
David, you say your phone has it?
I was
So
We can write in your phone.
Oh, no part.
Let me see.
This one tonight, but it's a day rave.
Let me take one picture.
Like a Barbershop independent.
no, give it too much time man outfit and them things. No, you. Yeah. I'll give it too much of your outfit and them thing there. Alright, we'll keep vlogging later. Long time. Many hours. Blood feet are so late. Many hours.
Sorry.
About 5-6 hours now, not true? Brilliant over there, so.
Yeah, you don't know the thing set.
See,
Pay the price. Final scene. Movie sick. February. About February.
July
Get
28th.
Now,
the
Kevin
right,
and Mark
brother.
kind of high right now. The NSC are kicking. July the 28th. You don't
the
know
date
SOUFLO
right.
final scene this in the movie.
See,
You don't know the man that come take over the thing like a big boss.
mad thing.
And me fi tell you, when the man a talk,
Mad thing.
no man no laugh.
Mad
Hold
thing.
on, get back to work. Hold on, look man.
Baba.
Baba.
I will not over there, so.
And the boy what I say, one say, Baba, don't mess with my son there. You see me? Whoosh. Yo. Ready?
One guys.
She on deck.
Did I put some propellers over here?
We all set right now on location, so the car them car they are gonna use in there. Watch Ninja back there, so. My barber over there, so.
Yes, sir, yo.
Thing proper.
Big up your damn self, so. You see me?
You see it, big up yourself, King.
You don't know, say, I say thing there, so I say.
You see it.
Man, I really. Whoosh.
Wash.
Real cutter.
One go.
You see me? You don't know.
Yo,
One go.
pay the price.
You want me to say now? Pay the price, is what I say.
One
Make
of
sure
the
so
artists
pray
will
it.
be around July 20.
Brilliant.
So,
What
Bono
them
Pro.
say? Oh, you mean?
Bono.
The thing I
Bono
shot?
Pro.
What we say that?
Right now, Sky we gone on Sky View. Sky
So,
View.
pull up again.
See, one more pull up. One more pull up, but don't forget, D-Rave party, London's banquet. Car one love.
Shooting the final scene for Pay the Price. This is my car in the movie. And the thing I got mad, me, I tell him, I don't want to give away too much for the movie. When I see Brains and the Beat on deck with me, we're on location here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I man up the thing. I tell us that the movie I got bad. Alright? So come out and support and that kind of thing there. We changing the game, man. Or we doing it big. Whichever way you want, take it. It's SOUFLO TV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Go check out Brains and the Beat also. And I don't know where to already. Hype. Brilliant, but if we lift up the drone, and we're about to run to another scene. See? Drone on deck. You know, if you ever hear that carrier when you rev the engine, the man of him thing modified. Music I play in the background. Me can't like fly in here with me. Come out, fly. Big blood clip. No, I want big old fly in here with me. I want big fly. May I try to let the fly out? Oh, he gone already.
Yeah, we said.
Mad and bad.
Pay the price. July 28th. I go crazy.
July
Mad.
28th. Gone crazy. See?
You hear it first. July 28th, Mother Road.
Great ninja.
Pay the price. So the drone there, up and running.
Yo, pay the price. Remember that. Yo, pay the price.
Celebrate.
Great ninja.
Yeah.
Yo. So there was a success. Great shoot.
Great shoot.
Yes, take a few hours, but
You feel me?
we get it done.
Yeah, my leg them tired. How fuck them? Can me take out that car?
Can't bite me now,
What?
I am fast.
You step on it, something say, oh.
It hurt.
All right. End of a very eventful day.
Shooting Because
Right now we're gonna look some food.
Yes.
And lift out ninja. So we carve out
Right now we're gonna look some food and Carmen's Brains gonna eat some food. You know she get when she don't eat.
Don't know pay the price gone sick. We're gonna
No, man, sir.
give him here, people.
Madam bad.
July 28th. We're gonna give location and everything. The price, everything.
See Barbershop there. So thanks to this guy and in Barbershop, the man here really set the thing for we. Give we Lenway location that we were able to shoot inside the store using facility, as you can see. And I know little pia shop, a big prestigious shop, see it there? And the man I talk about expanding. See it? Lovely. Love to see when the people them come and do great things like these, you know what I say? Successful businessman, see it there? Yeah man, the thing up. Alright. Now, I want y'all to come support this barbershop if you're ever in the area. I'll make them know that SOUFLO TV send you. Right? And we out. Let's have your food time.
Yes. Me hungry.
She hungry. You carry bag, girl.
Make sure you carry it for heavy.
Yeah. And I hear that though. Where's the love? Right now, I want her to carry me. But alright, we out. Peace. Babe, we are our Mac man happy dress today. Enough men were happy.
Please open the blood
Me not open it?
door. Yeah. If it is up to my shirt and part, me wear one big frock.
Yeah.
I like me
I don't like that though. I don't like that. So, I'm not one of those guys. But we share her to a certain extent.
You hear your blood?
Not like that. So I'm gonna take it like that. But it's not like that, I mean.
Aye.
You know, some man love telling woman if you wear and all these things. I'm not one of those guys. Damn me, I sweat. Whew. Let me turn off this. For sure cramp up later. Well, put an AC up on high.
I need to turn on heat, man.
Okay, babe, what you change?
Man, change nothing.
Alright, so, whew, I'm tired.
Me hungry.
We'll get some food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to sweat like
Sweat like me are dead. So always I wipe off my sweat like this. Me not wipe off nobody sweat like this with my hand, you know.
Why not?
But baby do it for me all the time. I drop me the wipe off you too. But you know sweat. Not like me.
Not like you. Me sweat but not
Wait
so
till the
hard.
AC kick in. I am so hungry. You know say at 8 o'clock?
Give me kiss.
One more. Alright.
A long day.
Yeah.
I mean, I do not.
We gotta look some food. Can't even talk no more. Baba, proceed with cutting my hair. Tell us that don't mess up my Sunday.
Yo, you know what I call a gun, yeah? See, I'm blind. Yeah. Cause when anything it see, it dead.
But we ain't Spice then.
We and Spice. That name that sounds so familiar, you know. Him brown. Kinda browner than you, no? Yeah. Tall. Oh, and him work for one eye.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You don't know him, you know.
Alright, we've come to the end of the movie or the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed what you saw on screen. Don't forget, I have pinned the link to the full movie as the first comment in the comment section below. So click that link, go over and watch that movie in full and enjoy. And I'll catch you on the next video. It's SOUFLO TV. I'm out. Peace.